Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. Today I'm going to unbag the Ipsy April 2019 bag. Yes, the April, even though it's May when this is going up. I just found out about a week or two ago that Ipsy has GlamBag Pluses now, so I am subscribed to that. So in May, I'm going to get a GlamBag Plus, and I believe you're supposed to get 5 full-size items in that, so I'm excited to see what's in that. So let's see what is in my last normal GlamBag. So lately I have been a sucker for the $3 ads-on, so I got the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I figured why not, $3 is a pretty good deal. Ooh, it comes out very watery. It smells like coconut. I am not a big coconut fan, but I will probably try this out tomorrow and see how it hydrates and primes my face. So we are finally getting into the warmer months, and this bag is showing that with a cute bag of lemons. And I like that the zipper is not like how it usually is on the top. It's kind of on the front. So the first one is from TheBalm Cosmetics. Oh, there we go. It is the BalmJour Creamy Lip Stain in the shade Salut. And let's see how that looks. Not bad, it's a little sheer, but it is pretty. And then, this is so funny, I just gave this product away to my mother. It is from Buxom Cosmetics. It is the Buxom Lash Volumizing Mascara, and this is in the shade Black is Black. I only gave this away because I had 19 mascaras, a majority of which are travel size, and she really liked this one, so I let her have it, and now I don't feel so bad, and I'm not so disheartened by giving it away because it is now replaced. So by 111 Skin, this is the Theorem Repair Serum. There we go. And this is supposed to hydrate, help boost collagen production, support cell regeneration, and minimize the appearance of fine lines. They say if it's not broke, don't fix it. Not saying my face isn't broke, but I kind of have my routine down with stuff that doesn't irritate my skin, so I'm going to donate that. And then from Laura Sanchez, we have a Moods eyeshadow, and this is in Rose Gold Woman. Very pretty. This almost looks like the NARS Orgasm Blush. Not going to touch that, going to donate it. And then last in a box from Sugar Cosmetics, it is the Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal eyeliner in the shade Blackout. I don't need another eyeliner. I just got rid of some. So that is the last item in this bag. So I'm really glad that I'm getting the GlamBag Plus, because other than the Buxom mascara and the base tape, which was an add-on, so I bought that for $3, I feel like everything else was kind of a miss for me. So I'm hoping the GlamBag Plus doesn't give me like 5 full-size misses, because I will be bummed about that. I know you're not going to love everything, but this is probably my least favorite bag that I've had in quite a while. The Ipsy GlamBags have been really good for me. I've liked a majority of the products, but out of the 5 products in the bag, I'm only liking one, so this is a big strikeout for me. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.